With AcreValue's new energy filters, you can search parcels and landowners by their proximity to energy infrastructure or by whether that infrastructure is present on their land. To see how this works, let's dive into 2 example searches. So I'm here in Kingfisher County, Oklahoma, and I'm looking to see every surface owner with an active oil well on their land. So I'm going to go up here to More Filters, and I'm going to go to the Energy filter. I'll say that I'm looking for an oil and gas well. Under status, I'm only looking for active wells, and then under type, I'm not looking at gas, I only want to see active oil wells. Now from here, I'll click Apply Filters, and as you can see, we've narrowed it down to the 327 parcels and landowners that have active oil wells on their property. As I start zooming in on the parcels, you can start seeing the oil and gas wells popping up on the map. Now that I'm here at ground level, I can hover and click on these oil and gas wells to see the owner name, the operator. Then I can also switch over to the list view to see this summarized. So here in the list view in the parcels tab, you're going to see 2 new areas to look for energy data. So this area is going to show me for each one of these parcels and landowners, it's going to show me a count of how many wind turbines, solar farms, or oil and gas wells are present on the property. Then we get into our proximity data. So now I can see the distance to my nearest biodiesel plant, ethanol, soybean. I can look at the distance to the closest substation, closest oil pipeline, electrical transmission line, and then also what my closest power plant is. For my next example search, I'm looking in Kit Carson County in Colorado. Let's say that I'm a renewable energy developer looking to target landowners that sit really close to transmission lines. So here in Kit Carson County, I can go to More Filters, and then under the energy filters, I can select utility and select transmission line. Now I'm looking for every parcel of a certain distance to a transmission line. So I'm going to say from 0 miles up to 1 mile away, I'm looking for that area that's really close to the transmission line. So let's apply these filters. And now with the filter applied, I'm looking at the 1,275 parcel owners that are right next to the transmission lines. I can zoom in on this area, jump over to the list view. And if I'm looking to contact these landowners about an upcoming project that I'm developing, I can go here and find their contact information. Like Lucas and Tanya Strode, I can select this button, find their contact info here on AcreValue, like phone numbers, mailing addresses, and email addresses. So I can go up and down the transmission line, finding new landowners to contact, like David and Ginger Marks. And I just got all their contact information to develop this project. Thanks for watching, and can't wait for you to use the new energy filters on AcreValue.